Okay. Well, we found this first scroll. We found a 9-tailed fox. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Yep. Wow, what a bitch. So I have a skill point now. Cool. Okay. Skills, F1. Cool. Aim at any surface and hold the left button to create a path of shadows. Create the shadows to move unnoticed to lead previous lit surfaces. Cool. So. Why can't I get through here? Oh, it's probably because I have to be in shadow, maybe? Yep. It drained my powers. So. Yeah, I have to get back into shadow as soon as possible. Come on. Oh boy. Get slit, boy. Let's see. Come on. It's a little bit closer. Oh, I can only go a certain distance. Shit. Oh gosh. Alright, let's try this again. Let's go there. There. Stay in the shade, stay in the shade. Put you there. Go there. Go there. Go there. Crouch. Go there. There. How can he so I feel like the better adept you are, like the higher up you are, it's the more you can, like the easier they can see me. So maybe they can. Okay, I'm in the darkness now, but he's right there. Then there's another character around that corner. Yeah, because both of those people will be able to see me. So I'm going to get back into here. Because there's a white guard there. You go right there. Let's kill him. Okay. Get there. Get there. Come on. Go. Go. How, bitch? How? Okay. Third time's charm. Boop. 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 Dead. Let's go here. Let's get in these shades. I'm gonna make some shit. Cool. Come on. Come around this corner. Please, please do me that. Woohoo, baby. Get my shit back. Alright. Okay. Is somebody coming? Just make some shade. And kill him. Kill him. Boom. Wow. Right into me. Oh my gosh. I have to make it 86 meters. Let's try this side this time. Well, he's right there, so let's go there. There. Get over here. Let's crouch. Let's walk. So he doesn't see me. Because he has another guard over here. So let's get into here. How? You didn't even see me, bitch. Did not even see me. Now I'm gonna have to run. Gonna crouch right here. Then if they come here, wait, I can just, I'm an idiot. Okay, they're gonna go try to find me. I just have to get up there. Ooh, wait, what was that? What was that? I saw something. Okay, cool. I finally got past it. Cool. Doesn't see me just yet. Okay. Cool. So I have to So what is this? Like a crow of some sorts? Yes. Oh, memories coming back. Okay. Wait, I have to go this way. Damn. Hello. Out the window. Follow the raven. My printer is going off. Look at that. Cool. Cool. Oh shit. I don't have any power, and I don't think I can even. Can I jump? I don't have anything like right at the moment. If I literally just, okay, crouch. There we go. Now I got enough. Can't seem. There we go. Okay, cool. Did I not go up? Oh my gosh. There we go. I need to wait for all my powers to come back. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna have to run. There we go. Get on it. Oh, I just ran out. I just ran out. Oh, shadows right here. Cool. Boop. Cool. Whoa. What was that? Apparently the crow helped him one day. So the crow is actually there. Wow. I don't know. Okay, cool. Try to land. There we go. There we go. Fuck's sake. There we go. Grapple. Grapple. I don't even have to kill you. Shit. Shit. Hello? Can I get in the darkness? Oh, I couldn't. Oh, shit. So that means I have to. Gotta create path for myself. Gotta boom. Get in here. Charge up. Jump across all fucking 3 of these. Because they'll see them. Or see me. So get there. Good. No, it doesn't look like I can jump there. Yeah, he moves. So. Gonna. What a stealthy kill. Oh, yeah, baby. Okay. Get right in here. Let's get to there. He's talking to somebody. Oh, hello. And you're dead. So I have to keep going this way. Hello. Okay, look at that. Why are they just breaking bridges? Like, hello? So I can just start running now. Yeah, look at that. Chapter 2. We'll do one more chapter and then I think we can take a break.